Hello, Mom.
Hello, my daughter. As you're not reaching, are you really coming? It's getting late.
Yes, Mom, we're coming. Even about to reach you. Honey, hurry up. It's getting late. They're even asking about us.
Okay.
Honey, watch out!
Ensure that your car is in good condition before you travel and avoid distraction while on the road.
Lack of preparation and not paying attention when driving could ruin the joy of the festive season for you and your loved ones. This message is brought to you by Nicole Foundation. Secure in the car, safe on the road. In partnership with Uganda Insurers Association and Vivo Energy.